How to pin page. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin page on your Facebook app. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook, click on it. Now go to this page go to this to your setting by click on those three lines. Now click on your page. Choose one of your page to manage. Click on, for example, how to media, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. And here all you need to do is click on general, the first one, and you're gonna find pin page and click on pin your page to pin your. Now this page is pinned. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.